What's up, guys? Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a new look, or a look at a new case from Otterbox. This is the Otterbox Soul series, and I picked this up for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at it and see what Otterbox has to offer. And I did pick this up on Amazon, so this is in the e-commerce packaging, which is just the cardboard box here. No fancy packaging. You can't see the case or anything like that. They should have added a pull tab. So as you can see, just very plain packaging. There's no literature or anything like that inside either. We just have the case. And the Soul series does come with a lanyard pre-attached. I don't know if I'm going to keep that on or not, but I do like the design. It's got a hard plastic back with some grippy sides. This is more kind of a, not as rugged as something like the Defender, but it is more for adventure and being on the go, stuff like that. As you can see, you do have your MagSafe ring right there. So we'll test that out on my charger and see if we get the MagSafe or the Qi 2 charging with the 25 watts. We'll test that out here later, and I'll let you guys know later on or in the description if that works or if it doesn't work. My Otterbox Defender surprisingly does work with Qi 2 and 25 watts, so I don't expect this to be an issue. I do see that this is kind of raised here quite a lot, so we might have a bit of a compatibility issue right there with certain accessories not sitting all the way on the magnet. But we'll go ahead and put the phone in here. Alright, there we go. And I do like how this feels. It is, like I said, not too bulky. It does have camera protection, everything like that right there. And you do get the lanyard, which I'm probably going to remove. You can't put like your hand through it or anything like that. It is bungee, so it is kind of stretchy, but again, it's not anything that you can wrap your wrist, put your wrist through or anything like that. But pretty nice case. We've got cutouts down here for your S Pen. It goes all the way over to the corner, so it's easy to get out and put back in. Speaker cutout, USB-C cutout right there as well. So like I said, I'll leave it down in the description after I test it with some of my different chargers if I have any issues with any of my chargers with the 25 watt. If you don't see anything in the description about it, then everything is good to go and it is working at the full Qi 2 speeds. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.